So today, for the first time, I'm going to bake a banana bread. I found this one at the supermarket together with banana. This is whether it's ripe egg, 3/4 cup water, and there's butter. Yep, things is ready. And this is the pan that I bought. I need to remove and wash it first. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there's an instruction here. I think it will be easy. See that? Up to 50 minutes. Okay, let's try it. Okay, peel the banana. Mash it. Overripe, must be overripe. Look at this. But I cannot. I'll just remove the really bad color. Okay, that's it. Preparing. So this one, just remove this. I don't need it. And then this one too. Remove. And this one. Okay, that's not needed. Okay. This one. Okay now. And then I just need to cut it and then smash it. Like smash it to the, not the pan, here to this bowl, because I need to shake it to mix it. I'm going to smash it. Just like that. This is honestly my first time to do this. It's just that nakita ko to sa supermarket. I found this at the supermarket where the bananas are displayed. So I was just curious about it. So I'm thinking that why not try it, diba? So I try it now. First time. No need to watch YouTube. I just follow the instruction, this one. If it doesn't work, well, experiment. Just throw it away. I will add milk pala, milk. It doesn't say milk here, but I'll just put some milk on my own. See, the milk is ready in the water. Okay, just like this. So the banana is already smashed. Just put the egg. One egg, it says one egg. Large egg, okay. Oh my goodness. And then one egg. And then what does it say? Mix it with the water. Okay. Put the water. Put cup. Oh no. Ah yeah, together with this. And I just add milk. Let's see. Estimate it. And then this one. Just add this one. So this is how it looks. Just put this here. 1, 2. Let me see. 3. Actually, it says the whole pouch, but you see, but it's too much, I think. Daming, I guess. So 3.5. I'll try it. So I try to stir it. For 2 minutes. It's like watery, so I add some more. It says to pour the whole pouch. I don't think it's correct. With 1 3/4 cup of water. Oh my goodness, I think too much. Wait a second, okay. Okay, I use this stirrer. What happened? Two minutes. I'm not sure if it's too liquid, Megan. This is what you do when you live in an apartment by yourself. And you have no maid here in America, so just try some stuff. Okay, done. And then the pan. So this is the butter. It says put butter into the pan and then preheat it. So I just slice it and put it here. Preheat to what? 45. Let's do this. Put in the oven. Okay, just do this. Bake. See, bake 350. Start. Let's preheat. And then put this here. I don't know if this is correct. It's gonna be funny. Okay. So you see, the butter is now melting. This one will spread it. That's what it says on the instruction on the banana mix. Just like that. Spread it, and then pour in the mixture, and then let it be for. Oh, I missed the paper. There should be a paper. Yeah. Okay. Next thing I do, I will just pour this mixture here, just like that, according to the instruction. Okay. So the pouring is difficult to do if it's inside the oven, so I just let it out and put it here. Let's see what happens to this one. Just like that. Okay. Here it is. I think I have put too much butter, you see. Let's just do this experiment. Put it back into the oven. Okay. Put that. Oh, I think I need to cover with foil. Let me try again. So here it is, covered with foil. Put it back. And then close for 45 minutes bake. Bake again, start. That's it. So it's already 45 minutes. Let's see how it is. I'm a bit nervous. First time. Oh, what happened? Look at this. Oh, it's kind of wet. It's wet. Oh, let's see. I don't know. Let it cool for a while. So let's open the cake. Oh wow. Oh, it's different color. I don't know why it's like this. Let me check. I think I use this one. Okay. I think what it lacks is flour. I just read it again. Need to put flour. And I don't have that. So now this is how it looks at the back. See? I turn it. And then the other side is like that. I think there's no flour. That's what it is. I just read it. Let's just try it. If it still tastes good. This is the back when I turn it, but the other side it looks good. See? Not bad. Soft. Next time I will buy flour. So this is my first time to bake a banana cake. And I think it lacks flour. I don't know. Still good. And this is how actually how it looks at the front. See? It's moist. Funny. But actually it tastes good. Masarap pa rin. Not so sweet because I didn't put sugar. I think after reading the instruction, it says that I need to put flour. I thought that the banana, what was that, mixture is already with flour in itself, already has it. But it says to put another flour. But anyway, still tastes good, not sweet. Good, good. Thank you.